Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty mail unboxing. I received a bunch of packages over the last week or so. I have new makeup, new skincare, and I have some new self-tanner as well. So if you guys want to see what I got recently, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off, I received 2 packages from Urban Decay and I was not expecting this, so it was a nice surprise. So this first one says, pull an all-nighter on the longest day of the year. And there's a few different products in here. So the first one is the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. I actually have not tried this one. I've only tried the all-nighter and the de-slick, so I feel like this is going to be great for the summertime, just like really refreshing. Then we also have the Urban Defense. This is a primer, but it's good for smoothing and environmental defense. It has SPF 30 in this. We have 2 eyeliners in here, 2 eyeshadows at the top, an Urban Decay Primer Potion, which lately I have been not using primer on my eyes. I've just been using like concealer, so I'm excited to give this a try. I used to use it, but I haven't in such a long time. Then we have the Perversion Mascara and the Perversion Liquid Liner. So I thought this was such a sweet package. Thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending that over to me. And if you guys can't tell, I got my lips done yesterday, so they a little big in this video. Next package I got is from Kula, and I was looking at Kula the other day at Ulta, and I really wanted the products, but they are kind of expensive, to be honest. So I did receive this free from Influencer, but it was such a sweet surprise, and I was so excited because I really did want to try these products. So the first one I have is the Kula Sunless Tan. It's an anti-aging face serum. I've been using this. I used it a couple of times. I mixed it in with my moisturizer, and I did notice that it gave my skin a nice like tan, like a bronzy tan. So it says natural pina colada scent, which it does smell good. And yeah, I think this is great for summertime if you don't really want to like be in the sun, which you really shouldn't. So I think this is going to be a great self-tanner for my face. We also have the Kula Classic Sunscreen. This is a white tea moisturizer, and it's a sunscreen SPF 50. So I'm going to be using this for sure. And then the last thing we have in here is the Kula Tan Mousse. It's a sunless tan sculpting mousse. So it says tan, contour, and sculpt. So I'm excited to try this out. I love my Loving Tan. That's like my favorite self-tanner, but I'm going to be giving this one a try as well. So thank you to Kula for sending that over to me. Really excited about this package. Next, I have a package. I received this free for review from Octoly, and I also received it free for review from Susan Ciminelli. Ciminelli, I think that's how you say it. She said, Sadie, we are so excited for you to try our product. We hope you love it as much as we do. So in here is the Susan Ciminelli Special Reserve Cream. So this is made with seaweed extracts, lavender, neroli, and mint. So this is a moisturizer for your skin, and basically it is supposed to be extremely anti-aging. It's supposed to be great for like plumping the skin. It says a luxurious anti-aging night cream for dry and mature skin. Infused with a blend of essential oils, minerals, and trace elements that quickly transform dull, lifeless skin. Leaves your skin rejuvenated, energized, and hydrated. So I got this specifically for my neck because I've noticed in videos that when I talk, I can see like my necklines like right here, and I feel like that means I'm getting old. So I really wanted to give this a try. I love the packaging. It has a very nice weight to it. This is pretty expensive, but if it works wonders, then it works wonders. Then it's definitely worth it. So I'll link this down below for you guys. It smells really nice, and I'm going to start using it on my neck and see if I see a difference in this one. I feel like I'm talking really fast. Okay, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I got a package from Marc Anthony, and it has a little thing right here. It says styling cocktails, and each thing is a different product with different ways to use it. So this is some hair care products, and these are the ones that I got. So we have the smoothing cocktail for sleek and straight hair. We have the beach waves cocktail for texture and volume, and then we have the volume cocktail for thick and full hair. So I haven't tried these out yet, but basically there's like a duo product in it, and free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm excited to try this out. I love using hair care products that do not have any parabens or sulfates in it. So I'm going to be trying those. I bet they smell really good too. Okay, next I have another package from Urban Decay. So this one is their Born to Run collection, and I'm so happy to receive this in the mail. Didn't think I was getting this either. So they came out with a new eyeshadow palette, and I'm sure you've seen this, but I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the outer packaging. It's really cool. It has a bunch of different pictures on it. And then on the inside, these are the shades, which they look really nice. So this is what they look like. They swatch beautifully. I swatched it in store, but I actually have not touched this palette yet. But I cannot wait. I think Big Sky looks really, really pretty. Like, I love these three, but I also love those orange and warm tones over here. So I can't wait to play with this, and I'm excited. So I got that. Then it also came with 3 eyeliners in here. So like a bronzy one, and then a little bit deeper of a bronze, and then like a teal green one. And then over here, there's a little all-nighter setting spray and 3 different lipsticks. I'll swatch one of the lipsticks. The packaging is really cool on it. It has that same kind of packaging as the eyeshadow palette. And then this one is called number 66. Ooh. I see that number everywhere. I don't know if that's a sign of something bad, but I keep seeing that number. Let me do a swatch of it. It's really pretty. It does not have a scent. And that is number 66. I hope for some reason that means like good luck is coming my way, even though it probably doesn't. Okay, next I have another package that I received from Octoly, free for review. This is from Caviar Resort. So this is the Sun Reflection Shine Spray. This is from Alterna. Okay, so I think what you're supposed to do with this is I think you're supposed to put it on your hair and then go out in the sun, and it's supposed to kind of protect your hair, but it's supposed to give your hair a nice like shine and glow to it. So I'm going to be using this, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Let me see if it smells like anything. Nope. Oh, I don't know if I like the scent actually. I'll give it a try and see what it does. I'm going to look more into this product to see exactly what it does, but I think it's supposed to protect your hair and give you some shine and give your hair, like your blonde hair, a nice like highlighted look. So I'm going to be trying this. Okay, I also received this free for review from Octoly and Invisibobble. I've always wanted to try these, and now I'm wearing one right in my hair right now. I received a bunch of these little elastics. So these are called the Invisibobble. You can find these at Sephora. They do carry them there. And it's called the Elegant Hair Ring. So this is the first one I have. They're like clear. So it comes 3 in a pack of this. The one that I have in my hair right now is this one. It's called, I think this is just the original one, but it's like designed for blonde hair. So it's just tan. So it says traceless, avoid headaches, hair caring, non-soaking, strong grip, updo tool, anti-allergic. Anti-allergic. I don't know. Basically, you're not supposed to have any kinks in your hair after wearing this. So I got a bunch of these. I also got the clear ones as well, which is the best seller. Strong grip hair ring, designed in Germany. So this is what they look like. But like I said, you can find these at Sephora. I will link this down below for you guys. But I've been using it, and I've been really liking it. Like, I like it way better than regular hair elastics. I feel like regular hair elastics, you get that kink in your hair, and it's also like it pulls at my hair and it pulls it out. I don't know. I just feel like this is way better. Next package, I did show this in a vlog of mine, but I'm going to show you guys anyway in case you missed it. So this is from PIXI, and it says PIXI by Petra Glow in a Box. So this is the outside of the box, and then you open it up, and it says glow, get them gorgeous. So on the left side, you have 2 duo highlighters in here. You can find PIXI at your local Target if you have one, but there's 2 highlighters. I've swatched this one before, and it is so blinding. It is really, really pretty. And then over here are the Liquid Fairy Lights. So they're liquid sparkly eyeshadows. I am wearing this on my eye today. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm wearing the rose gold one, and these are very similar to the Stila ones. I would say a little less glittery, but they are very pigmented in color, if that makes sense. So they are really pretty, very affordable, and I have been loving this. I've only used one of the liquids, but really, really pretty package. So thank you to PIXI for sending that over to me. All right, I think I'm on my last package. So this is from Native Deodorant, and Native Deodorant is aluminum free and paraben free. So I've said this before, but a lot of deodorants like Secret or like, I don't know, other generic brands, they have parabens in it, and they have aluminum in it. So this is a lot safer for your skin. So they did send me their summer collection. So we have 3 in here. That's the packaging on it. A little goes a long way with these 2. But the summer scents that I received are the strawberry and rhubarb, which I've tried this one, and it smells really good. Definitely a stronger like rhubarb scent. but it smells good. And then we also have hibiscus and mint, which is like the purple one. This one smells really fresh. This one's just like very like floral to me. And then this last one we have is lime and coconut, which this one is green. This one's nice too. This one's very lightweight. It has like a little hint of lime. It smells nice. I like all three of them. I have tried the strawberry rhubarb, and I think I was like kind of getting sick of the rhubarb scent on me. So I think the lime and the coconut or the hibiscus and mint will be a little bit more subtle. So yeah, I got these from Native. I will link them down below for you guys. Okay, and that was everything that I got in the mail over the last week or so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.